Hey guys, I got here some Pita Pit. So I got the twisted spicy chicken pita. Now this is one of my favorites. It has their buffalo chicken with some bacon in it. I love their pitas. Delicious, toasted, lots of vegetables. Go first bite here. Really good. So you see the twisted spicy chicken there, buffalo chicken, their bacon, and I'm getting hummus, spinach, lettuce, green peppers, red onions, banana peppers, jalapeno, and Swis cheese. As well as I like to get some oregano and the Raging Cajun spice. I find these are fantastic. Overall, very healthy. Most of the carbs coming from this wrap here. Some vegetables, chicken, lean cuts of meat. Very macronutrient friendly food. And it's, can't beat the taste. It is fantastic. I eat here pretty much every single day on weekdays, 4 to 5 times a week. And I've been doing this consistently for like a couple years now. It helps me keep to my macronutrients, get good quality nutrition in, get my veggies, get my micronutrients. And it tastes fantastic. You cannot beat this place. If you haven't tried Pita Pit out, I recommend giving it a shot. It is going to blow your mind. Not only in how healthy it is, but how delicious it is too. For a fast food place, I'm rating this 10 out of 10. Healthy food, delicious food, and it's not overly pricey.